an emotional homecoming. After more than 2 years of heartbreak and displacement, several Meitei families made a poignant return to Kangchup, a village nestled in the Lamshang subdivision of Imphal West District, Manipur. Once filled with laughter and life, their homes now stand as charred remnants of the ethnic violence that erupted in early May 2023 between the Meitei and Kuki-Zo communities. The flames not only consumed their houses but also uprooted their lives, forcing them into relief camps overnight. Today, amidst the ruins, hope flickers again. With the government announcing plans to rehabilitate thousands of displaced families across the state, these villagers dare to dream of rebuilding, not just their homes, but also the bonds that once held their community together.
अकोई यामना हरावे यामने appreciate तवे सरकार ने सुमाइना अकोई हंजल नियम से कोई युम नियम नहीं जनिंगे बा अकोई मीगिदा तांगजरगा लाइबा सिसु नुआइते दे रिलीफ कैंप दा लाइबा हाबा सिसु नुआइबा अमतनते रूम अमदा मी मयाम अमा पुल्लगा मागी प्राइवेसी हाबा मसु लाइबा नत्रे अदुना यामना वाना ले दे फैब्रिकेटेड हाउस हाइसिदु याम पिक पकाखु अदुदैदा वाशरूम दगी कारी दे लोइने टेस्ट तवरगा लाइबा मफम ओइबनिना अमतसु कनासु नुआइबा अमत नतबनिना यामना वाना लाइजे अदुना युम हंजलो हाइबसे याम हरावे अदुबु.
More than 50,000 people from the Meitei and Kuki-Zo communities were internally displaced during the ethnic clashes, and the majority have spent over 2 years living in relief camps, waiting, hoping, and enduring. In Faijang area of Kangpokpi district, rows of fabricated sheet shelters have become makeshift homes, weathering both time and hardship. Here, 896 people from 184 families continue to live in limbo. While some youth have moved to other districts in search of education or jobs, many remain, with nowhere else to go. Camp in charge Momoy acknowledges that the government has provided essential facilities, but her heart still longs for Imphal, the city where her life once felt whole.
और यहाँ का लोग हम लोग तकलीफ़ तो अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं है, सब का सब पूरा ऑफिस तरफ से दे रहा है हम लोग, और गवर्नमेंट तरफ से भी हम लोग मिल रहा है. और अभी तकलीफ़ तो पूछने से तो इतना ये कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. याद तो आता है क्योंकि हम लोग छोटे होने समय में तो उधर में रह रहा है ना, उधर में स्कूल भी जाता है और इवन कॉलेज भी ख़त्म आके उसके बाद मिस तो करता है.
At the IDP camp in Faijang, we met Thomas, a young man with a dream and a voice fluent in Hindi. Having lived in both Imphal and Delhi, Thomas aspires to become a journalist. But in the shadows of displacement, his journey is far from easy. For Thomas, the biggest challenge facing residents of the camp and nearby underdeveloped areas is not just survival, but access to quality healthcare, a basic right that still feels out of reach.
हम सब जो कुकी कम्युनिटी के लोग हैं जो इम्फाल नहीं जा सकते कॉन्फ्लिक्ट के कारण, हमें नियरेस्ट है हमारा सेनापति डिस्ट्रिक्ट, उसके बाद है कोहिमा, उसके बाद दिमापुर या गुवाहाटी या दिल्ली में भी हमें मेडिकल लाइन के लिए जाना पड़ता है. तो बहुत सारे ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स हैं स्पेशली आईडीपीज़ के, क्योंकि हमारा कुछ का घर जल गया, कुछ का सामान लूट लिया गया, कुछ का परिवार के सदस्य भाई बहन माता उनको मार दिया गया, और इसी वजह से बहुत सारे लोग तो मेंटल अनस्टेबिलिटी में भी है.
As Meitei and Kuki-Zo families slowly begin their return, their resilience stands as a powerful reminder of the human spirit's endurance. Yet, true rehabilitation goes beyond physical resettlement. It requires lasting peace, adequate security, and access to essential services like healthcare and education. Only then can these communities move from survival to rebuilding lives with dignity, hope, and a renewed sense of belonging.